pretty dope. Last night we pulled up and now we're here. A little sore, maybe a little back sore. I'm feeling a little bit, my back is feeling it the most, like my shoulder blades. Stopped to get some water, and now we have a waterfall. Pretty fun.
You gotta go show them.
We did show them. Waterfall's there. Onto our bike ride. It's about 20 miles today. It's gonna be sick. Muffin's excited about it. Getting ready for next adventure. What is it, Muller Mountain? I'm putting some lube on these bad boys. Got 2,500 feet upwards now, over 3 miles on this blue, so it's gonna be kind of steep. Up that way. It doesn't look really steep, but it's steep. And you can see it on Kayleen's face.
At this point, it'd be nice to have maybe not so wide handlebars.
It's like full on bushwhack, huh?
I'm like
so sketchy to
like
pull down.
my fucking arm over.
But look how high we are already. People, I fell down. And if I don't get poison oak from this crap, it's going to be a miracle.
Come on.
Okay. I'm riding down. Riding. And now I am here. Okay, I don't know what to do about this sweet.
Well, I'll just pull with the tire.
Okay.
Can you turn the motor off so it doesn't twist my hand?
I thought I had this little stump, and then I went like up, and I was like, uh-oh, and then just went straight in there.
God, there's so many bushes and poison oak and
Shit, I was
baby
going
trees.
fast too, down that hill, rolling down, big time.
Yeah.
Poison oak, no, do you think I got it?
I thought I saw it just a second ago. Right there.
Where?
There's some right there.
Where?
See that like little vine with 3 things right there?
Bullshit, that's not it.
Yeah, it is. That's
No, it's
the one.
not. Went down from this hill, boom. Survived, didn't break anything. Good news. The best trail possible. She's not happy. I don't know if I'm an unhappy wife.
And then the trail just stops.
I
Me walking an e-bike
the whole time.
3 miles.
Let's go this way. See if we can, what we can see here. Well, we've decided to go down because probably bikes don't have enough battery and it's too far and we can't do it. We've exhausted ourselves in this 2.5 mile, which ended up being 4.5 mile. I don't know how. So we're gonna go fishing and it's gonna be sick.
We're gonna catch a trout.
Trout. And then we're gonna eat the trout. Are you gonna catch this trout right there? Since we didn't get it downhill today, are we gonna get a fish? So, yesterday we have continued our journey. We didn't get a downhill, pretty lame day, honestly. We went up though, bunch. I shit in the woods.
What?
She went to just poo. And now we're going up this peninsula all the way to the top of the peak. We're gonna grab a coffee and meow.
Or is it a 6-minute one wheel?
I know.